Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO in Amsterdam. Today I'm back again with what I eat in a day. Most of you say to me, I have beautiful skin but I'm too slim, do I eat enough? Today I'm back to tell you yes, I eat, and I'm going to show you all the things I include in my diet daily. In the morning when I get up, the first thing I do is I turn on the kettle for some tea. But before I turn on the kettle, I go into my fridge, I get some coconut juice like I have done here. So I try to pour myself a glass of coconut juice, which I first drink before I continue with my tea. Before we go any further with what I eat and drink, the thing is, you should understand that not everyone's diet is suitable for you. You should customize your own diet. To me, I've customized my diet to a single few things because I know I need proteins in my diet, so I take some meat and fish, and I need some vitamins in my diet, so I'll include some of the fruits that I always do, and also include some vegetables. And I also love to detox myself, my skin and my whole body, so I'll be taking lots of juices, and that's why I also take this lovely coconut juice. However, I also love having strawberries. I eat strawberries daily with some goat cheese. Goat cheese is very healthy, it has lots of protein, and because I don't drink milk but I can consume other dairy products, I consume goat cheese spiced with some lemon. So I love goat cheese. I always make salads with goat cheese. The other thing I incorporate in my diet is I love cooking. I make myself so many meals like liver fried with rice, with potatoes and that kind of thing. And the other thing is, when I'm making my smoothies, I always have bananas. Every morning I have a smoothie, a smoothie or a juice, made from bananas and celery. But I keep some celery, fresh celery from my garden, or I cut it, I put it in my kitchen, and then I add it with some bananas, and I incorporate some ice cubes from coconut juice, which I make a juice or a smoothie every morning from these ingredients because it's full of vitamins, especially vitamin K and E. They are very, very good for your skin and also very good for your digestive system because they help you detox your body. In the middle of all those meals, I also drink lots of herbal tea. Here I have some herbal tea, which I can show you. This is lemongrass from my garden. You can also buy this at some of the tropical supermarket, but I love lemongrass, I love mint, I love vanban. I grow most of my herbs in my garden, as you've seen in most of my videos, so I drink lots of herbal tea. This tea helps me detox my body, and every morning I have, I think, a cup of tea after I have my coconut juice, and then in every hour I have at least 1 cup of tea which I sip, and it's, it's very, 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 very stimulating. Most of you love drinking coffee, but I don't drink coffee, so I drink tea. But other thing, when I drink tea, I don't incorporate sugar in it. I have substituted the sugar with honey. When I make myself a pot of tea, it's always incorporated with herbs, and I always drink that with honey, and that's biological honey because I do not want to bring all sorts of things in my system, and I take lots and lots of tea. I really restrain myself from alcohol and beverages that will put my diet backwards. I try to just consistently eat the same things so that I maintain a stable health and a stable diet that will keep me healthy. So when you incorporate lots of protein, carbohydrates, and lots of vitamins and minerals, you are assured that you will be healthy. And if you stay away from lots of alcohol, if you're not having hangover, and you work out a lot, then you are assured of a healthy living and wellness. And that's what I eat on a daily basis. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to check out our online store to purchase something in order to support this channel. And that was it. Stay tuned for more videos and see you soon.